Hi, this is a new edition of Layers in Salesforce on Marketing Cloud Datorama. This is pretty quick. So what you see here on over here is what business unit you're in. That's super important. I sometimes forget that. And then you can see all the builders, studios over here, and then the builders over here. Previously, the analytics were on all in Email Studio. Now we can get analytics with Datorama. So press Analytics Builder, and then the next thing here, you get into it, and this is how it looks. And here you can see the dashboards, pivot tables, the reports, right? So here actually you can see the dashboards, pivot tables, and reports. They're right over here, up here, right? And then over here is your typical filters, etc. But the most important thing is you can see the email overview over here on the left side. There you can see all the email overview, email push notifications, etc. And that's basically your menu bar. And then all your filters, delivery, performance, what you sent out, what didn't go out, what's the open rate, etc. Datorama is very good at this. And then if you really want to get into cross filters, then basically use SQL query. Here, this is a basic, great tool. What the current compared to, month to month is typical. What business unit are you in, right? And then do you want to drill down on a specific campaign or not? So here where you see A, it's your edit thing on the A. B is the comparison. C is the business unit. D is the menu bars to control the reporting. Let's go to the next one. This is where you went to D on the menu bars and you can look at email engagement, for instance. What's the delivery rate per day? What's the bounce rate? What's the click-through rate, etc., right? What are your domains? And this is all great. What day of the week people open it? So day of the week, which is down here. Domains, right? Open rates, click rates. You can configure this over here. And that's what you're doing here. So now let's go look at further. This is just a great overview. And then what you do with this tool is up to you. And if you don't see a function, sometimes it's just not enabled, write a support ticket. And here, for instance, right here is the bottom part, like top 5 journeys, open rates. And here, over here, the business unit right here. And then A is the menu bar, which is in reverse. B is the email overview, the setup, etc. You can customize this all you want. And then on the far right is the business unit. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for doing the short Datorama review. This is not as total as Tableau because Marketing Cloud feeds into Sales Cloud and Tableau is the full picture. This is a great business unit analytics tool for how your journeys are doing. Thank you so much and have a great day.